And the guys battled back.
Battle back, show some heart. We were short again. We finished with 4D. Joe, we had a bit of a Charlie Horse again, aggravated. We had JF Day, we got out for the game, so we were short. Battle, and killed penalties. I'm certainly proud of the effort given by our kids, and through the adversity of some bad calls, and that's life, I guess.
On diversity, have you ever seen a penalty shot in 5-minute major rules?
Never. Every day it's a new story, so I'm learning, I guess.
That was awarded because of the injury, I suppose?
Yeah, because as you know, he wasn't able to finish the game.
Okay, next shift.
Yeah, the next shift he was done. It's like a soccer game.
How tough
For players, because I know they came from Vegas and they were tired, but we battled with short staff last night, and the game lasted till 11 o'clock or so. And so coming back, it's never easy to play a good game. We're not used to it, so it's commendable.
Have you ever won a game twice before, like this game tonight?
No, it's bizarre hockey, but when things are going well, and you believe that good things gonna come your way if you work hard. And I felt that in the second period we kind of collapsed a little bit there. We came back and played with a vengeance in the third period.
What do you think happened in the